Hello, this is from myastudy.org. Financial Budget 2015 by Arun Jaitley. Here are sector-wise highlights. Taxation. 1. Abolition of wealth tax. 2. Additional 2% surcharge for the super-rich with income of over Rs 1 crore. 3. Rate of corporate tax to be reduced to 25% over next 4 years. 4. No change in tax slabs. 5. Total exemption of up to Rs 44,200 can be achieved. 6. 100% exemption for contribution to Swachh Bharat apart from CSR. 7. Service tax increased to 14%. Agriculture. 1. Rs 25,000 crore for rural infrastructure development to bank. 2. Rs 5,300 crore to support micro-irrigation program. 3. Farmers credit target of 8.5 lakh crore. Infrastructure. Rs 70,000 crores to infrastructure sector. B. Tax-free bonds for projects in railroad and irrigation. C. PPP model for infrastructure development to be revitalized and got to bear majority of the risk. D. Atal Innovation Mission to be established to draw on expertise of entrepreneurs and researchers to foster scientific innovations. Allocation of Rs 150 crore. ECO proposes to set up 5 ultra-mega power projects, each of 4,000 megawatts. Education. Aims in Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar and Assam. B. IIT in Karnataka, Indian School of Mines in Dhanbad to be upgraded to IIT. C. PG Institute of Horticulture in Amritsar. D. Kerala to have University of Disability Studies. E. Center of Film Production, Animation and Gaming to come up in Arunachal Pradesh. 6. IIM for Jammu and Kashmir and Andhra Pradesh. Defense. Allocation of Rs 246,726 crore, an increase of 9.87% over last year. B. Focus on Make in India for quick manufacturing of defense equipment. Do WELFARESCHEMES. GST and JAM Trinity Jan Dhan Yojana. Aadhaar and mobile to improve quality of life and to pass benefits to common man. B. 6 crore toilets across the country under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. C. Mudra Bank will refinance microfinance orgs to encourage first-generation SC/ST entrepreneurs. D. Housing for all by 2020. E. Upgradation 80,000 secondary schools. F. DBT will be expanded from 1 crore to 10.3 crore. G. For the Atal Pension Yojana, GOP will contribute 50% of the premium limited to Rs 1,000 a year. H. New scheme for physical aids and assisted living devices for people aged over 80. I. GOP to use Rs 9,000 crore in claimed funds in PPF-EPF for Senior Citizens Fund. J. Rs 5,000 crore additional allocation for MGNREGA. के लिए GOP to create universal social security system for all Indians. RENEWABLEENERGY. Rs 75 crore for electric cars production. B. Renewable energy target for 2022 to 100 kmw in solar, 60 kmw in wind, 10 kmw in biomass and 5 kmw in small hydro. Tourism. Development schemes for churches and convents in Old Goa, Hampi, Elephanta Caves. Forests of Rajasthan, Leh Palace, Varanasi, Jallianwala Bagh. Qutub Shahi tombs at Hyderabad to be under the new tourism scheme. B. Visa on arrival for 150 countries. Gold. Sovereign gold bond as an alternative to purchasing metal gold. B. New scheme for depositors of gold to earn interest and jewelers to obtain loans on their metal accounts. C. To develop an Indian gold coin which will carry the Ashok Chakra on its face, to reduce the demand for foreign coins and recycle the gold available in the country. Ek FINANCIALSECTOR. A Forward Markets Commission to be merged with the Securities and Exchange Board of India. B. NBFCs registered with the RBI and having asset size of Rs 500 crore and above to be considered as financial institution under SARFAESI Act 2002, enabling them to fund SME and mid-corporate businesses. C. Permanent establishment norms to be modified to that mere presence of offshore fund managers in the country does not lead to adverse tax consequences.